In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your notification settings in Jira to fit your personal preferences. Whether you're new to Jira or simply need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will make the process crystal clear. So let's dive in. To kick things off, you'll want to open Chrome or whatever web browser you prefer. Once your browser is up and running, head over to the Jira login page. Here, you'll enter your credentials to access your account. If everything goes smoothly, you'll find yourself at the Jira dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your project management needs. Now, to begin customizing your notifications, we need to navigate to your profile settings. Take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your avatar there, inviting you to make a change. Give it a click. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose either Personal Settings or Profile and Visibility. This will take you to the area where you can adjust several personal preferences, including how and when you receive notifications. Once you're in your profile settings, it's time to focus on finding the notifications section. Depending on your version of Jira, it might be listed under Email Notifications or simply as Notifications. Scroll through until you locate it. This section is essentially your control center for all communication preferences. In the notifications area, you're going to see a few different options. You might notice settings related to receiving emails about issues that are directly assigned to you, as well as updates on issues you're watching. There may also be a setting that handles notifications when someone mentions you in a comment or a task. These settings are incredibly important because they allow you to customize the influx of information, ensuring that you're only alerted about what matters most to you. To make adjustments, you'll simply toggle the settings on or off based on your personal needs. This kind of flexibility is designed to ensure that you're notified about things you care deeply about while keeping unnecessary distractions to a minimum. For example, you might want to keep notifications enabled for direct assignments but disabled for other types of updates. It's entirely up to you and aligns with how you prefer to manage your workflow. After you've tailored these settings to fit your preferences, the final step is to save the changes you've made. Some versions of Jira automatically save your changes as you go, while in other versions you'll need to click a Save button. Double check the instructions on your screen to be sure everything is set just right. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully customized your notification settings in Jira. By fine-tuning how you receive updates, you can stay focused on your important projects without being overwhelmed by unnecessary alerts. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more handy project management tips and tutorials.